Hey guys, it's Ewan and this is Lutong Marisyu. But before we get right into the video, click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. Alright, so today we're going to be making Choco bar ice cream. So for starters, we're going to start off with 2 cups of milk, a half cup sugar, 3/4 cup milk powder, and give it a mix until the milk powder is dissolved. So after all of the powder is dissolved, we're gonna put it on low-medium heat, stirring frequently, careful not to scorch the bottom. Alright, since we're not using any cream, we're going to be making a thickening agent. And to that, we're going to be adding 2.5 tablespoon cornstarch, 1/4 cup milk, and mix well. Once our mixture has turned into a simmer, we're going to add in our thickening agent. Continuously mix until the mixture thickens. Once it has thickened, we're going to take it off the heat and cool it. And once we're cooling it, we're going to add 1 teaspoon vanilla and mix. When it's done cooling, we're going to be transferring the mixture into a container that has a spout. After that, we're going to be freezing this overnight. Alright, it's the next day and it's time to release the ice cream popsicles from its mold. An easy way to take it out of its mold is to place it in some warm water and leave it there for 10 to 20 seconds. After leaving it there for 10 to 20 seconds, it should be easy to release. Alright, there you go. Then after taking it out of its mold, immediately coat it with melted semi-sweet chocolate and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Take out the chocolate and hold it in a downward position, letting the excess chocolate drip off of the popsicle. Alright guys, here it is, chocolate coated ice cream popsicle. Let's give it a taste. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.